Hey y'all, welcome back to day 53 of my 100-day challenge. Let's talk tech. The tools that help me keep things moving smoothly behind the scenes, and it gives my clients the first class real estate experience they deserve. Now, this is from staying organized to following up to showing homes and marketing properties. These tools have helped me work smarter so I can focus on what matters most, which is you. So, the first tool is my KW Command. It's my real estate control center. Command is where I manage my database, track my deals, I organize my follow ups, move opportunities from lead to closing. It's like a digital assistant that keeps me sharp, consistent, and focused on what matters. My second tool is Canva. It's for a clean branded visual. If you've seen any of my flyers, my thumbnails, or even graphics for this video, Canva was behind it. It's my go to for creating polished, eye catching marketing for my listings, my events, as well as my social media. The third tool is ShowingTime. It's a no stress showing. Whether I'm helping my buyer schedule showings or manage sellers appointments, ShowingTime keeps us all on the same page. So there's no back and forth, just seamless scheduling. And that is the key in this fast moving market, right? My fourth tool, my iPhone and MacBook, the dynamic duo. Listen, these two go everywhere with me. My iPhone keeps me in touch. It records content, videos, run my apps. And I'll say my MacBook is where of course I can edit, design, email, build out the business day in and day out. They may be simple, y'all, but they have helped me build big results. And here's some other tools I've used. DocuSign for digital signature, Canely for my one-on-one consult, and my chat GPT, of course, it helps me creatively, right? But at the end of the day, it's not about having all the tools. It's about using what works for you. And I'll tell you, these tools have helped me deliver the high level experience my clients know me for. Now, I may come from the old school work ethic, but I have learned to embrace the new school tools. Hard, but yes. And I'll say these tech tools let me serve my clients with excellence, integrity, and urgency, the way it's supposed to be done. So, if you're a client, an agent, or a business owner trying to level up your systems, drop your favorite tech tool below. I would love to hear about it. And of course, if you want to know about mine, just DM me. But it's your favorite realtor, Shanda McRae. Smile and be a blessing today. See y'all tomorrow for day 54.